wetu wa Kisii, hamjambo? ODM! 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 Watu wangu wa Kisii, mimi nina furaha tena kufika hapa tena. Mimi wakati nilikuwa kijana hapa Kisii ndio ilikuwa headquarter yetu. Mimi nilikuwa ninasomea South Nyanza, na Kisii ndio ilikuwa headquarter yetu. Kila kitu ilikuwa ni hapa Kisii. Hata mshahara walimu wote walikuwa wanapata tu hapa Kisii, wanakuja na baiskeli. Na mimi nikikuja hapa nilifurahi sana vile mlitupokea. Mlitupokea na furaha, na nikaona roho yote ya ODM iko hapa. Mimi huyu Simbarati ambaye ni mfadhili wangu, ni deputy wangu kwa chama. Huyu Simbarati ndio kama soja yangu namba moja. He's a very smart and very sharp leader. He led in Nairobi and he was elected twice, vile amesema. Na Simba, wewe ukiendelea hivyo utaenda mbali kushinda hii tano ya gavana. We have come to Kisii. This is about 4 months after losing our party leader. My party leader, Raila Odinga, was my brother. He was my younger brother. And in my life, I never expected that my brother will see the Lord before me. But as fate would have it, he went ahead of me, and I thought he was the one who was going to give me a decent burial. Lakini be that as it may, it already happened, and we must continue. Life must continue. This party was built very, very meticulously by my brother. He built it such that it is like a government. It has structures up to the grassroots. We have structures up the polling station. And this is a very strong party, and it is not a tribal party. It is a party for all Kenyans. All Kenyans who want justice come to ODM. And we are not going to let him down. We are not going to let my brother down. This machinery which is there, some people are saying that the shoes of Raila are too big for me. Even though I know they are big, but I'm trying, I cannot surrender. How many people want me to surrender? You want me to surrender? Should I continue? Should I continue? If we let this party go, it will be a big letdown to my brother. It will be a big letdown to the people of Kenya who rely on this party to expose and expound the issues of justice for the country. This party is built on a very strong foundation. It is not a party rejareja kama zingine ambayo zinaletwa wakati wa uchaguzi, zinakuja na zinaenda. Kwa sababu zinaletwa tu, kwa sababu kuna watu wanataka kupata pesa hapo na papo pale, kusanya pesa. Alafu uchaguzi ukiisha, zinaletwa kwa mfuko. Hii chama yetu is not like that. we have decided as a party to move on. Our party leader, L.E Martha, left us in a broad-based government arrangement. This broad-based government arrangement is up to 2027. We are going to continue in this broad-based arrangement. But as we continue in this broad-based arrangement, as a party, we cannot just leave, saying we are waiting for 2027. And you all know that 2027 is an election year. It is a year when we have to go for election. And when we go for election, we must prepare. We cannot just go empty-handed that we have not prepared. That is why, in their wisdom, the Central Committee of the party sat down and gave me a mandate to start negotiations with like-minded parties, starting with our current partners, with whom we are in this broad-based arrangement called UDA, and we are going to do. We are going to start moving without being distracted. We are moving forward. We are not against anybody, and our party is not a party for expelling people. We are not going to expel anybody from the party. We want our party to grow. We want our party to grow from strength to strength. And we can only do that if we add numbers, not if we reduce numbers. So we are going to make sure that our party people, led by you people here on the ground, register more and more members of the party ODF. You must make sure to take Kipande, those who are of the age now. After taking Kipande, you register as a voter. After registering as a voter, register as an ODM member. After registering as an ODM member, you are a full woman and a full man. If you don't have a kura, you are a half man and a half woman. Because you don't have to fire. You know, for you to fire your governor, you need that vote. For you to say, I was Liberati Tena, you need that vote. For you to remove your MCA, you need that vote. For you to confirm him and re-elect him, you need that vote. So that kura is so important. That is determining who is going to be the next president of the country. So you must all have kura. This is the message I wanted to give you. If you are a man and you don't have kura, you are like a man who does not even have fire to give a woman this kind of thing. When you go to the So, my people of Kisii, we are going to move on. The 10-point agenda that we have said we are going to implement includes all issues concerning the people of Kenya. All of them are in national report. They are in the 10-point agenda, which includes that national report. And we have said we are going to start, as a manual edit here, with the compensation for our children who are still maimed or injured in the struggle. Those heroes of ours, those who are gone, I know it is difficult to compensate life, but you are going to give something to ameliorate, something to just give the people some consolation. It is a consolation, but it is not a compensation fully for the life. You cannot compensate life of a person. So, and you all know that the people who died are mainly from our areas here. Wale ambao waliuawa, wengi wao walikuwa ni wetu kutoka area hii. Kwa hivyo sisi tukisema tunataka hiyo iwe mbele, Hiyo ni kusema ya kwamba we are fighting for our people to get justice. Because we are continuing a struggle. This struggle we are continuing is a struggle to achieve what our forefathers wanted at independence. That is to fight against hunger, to fight against ignorance, and to fight against disease. This was the motto of our forefathers at independence. And these enemies of our people are still quite prevalent. And as we go for negotiations, we are going to make sure that we negotiate with people who are ready to work tirelessly for the against these enemies of the people. We are going to make sure that, and we are going to make sure that the team which is going to negotiate on our behalf is going to negotiate from a position of strength, because you people are giving us the morale. When I see you people supporting us, we are not going to be a joke. We are going to be a very serious negotiating team, and we are going to give you not a disappointing result, but a positive result of our negotiation. So my people, mimi nimekuja hapa kuwasalamia, na tena nyinyi mjuane, tutajuana individually, nitakuwa ninawatembelea hata kwa komateni. So asanteni sana kwa hapa.